Are you looking for the best tool sets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best tool sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Crescent 180-piece professional tool set. The Crescent 180-piece professional tool set is a solid professional socket set for working on cars, tractors, lawnmowers, and other motorized equipment, with a few additions for household use. These sockets and ratchets are some of the highest quality performers in the test, and there are a lot of them. You get 2 ratchets with 3 extenders for hard-to-reach places and over 80 sockets in metric and SAE, including a super handy 5/8 inches spark plug socket. The 12 combination wrenches with 1 open and 1 box end are among the best in the test. We like the screwdrivers and the magnetic bit driver, which come with 48 bits. The needle nose pliers are high quality with nice action, but there are no ordinary pliers or tongue and groove pliers. The metric and SAE hex keys are fine and come in sturdy holders. Unless you're jumping straight into auto care, we don't recommend this as a first-timer's toolkit. However, the expansive selection of tools will help you accomplish many household tasks. Adding a hammer would extend the range of this kit's home repair and project capabilities. The sockets, ratchets, and wrenches shined during testing, but the rest of the kit was just okay. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt 108-piece Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. The DeWalt 108-piece Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set scores very high in our 4 metrics, though other award winners like the Black & Decker 20V Max 68-piece scored better in general use selection. The tool quality and functionality were immediately apparent as soon as we assembled sockets to the ratchet. Easy to assemble and securely fastened are the themes of this kit. We effortlessly wrenched on ski bindings and worked on bicycles. The carrying case is lightweight, easy to carry, and has 2 metal latches that snap solidly into place. And as a carpenter who has used DeWalt products for over 20 years, one of our testers can assure you that durability is second to none. Unfortunately, we can't recommend this high-quality toolset for general use only because it lacks diversity in its available tools. There are no hammers, pliers, or tape measures. If you require a more versatile general use set, we recommend checking out the Amazon Basics 173-piece hand toolkit. However, if you either already own or don't mind acquiring those other tools separately, this 108-piece kit from DeWalt might be the right toolset for you. The 3rd product on our list is the Amazon Basics 173-piece hand toolkit. The Amazon Basics 173-piece hand toolkit set offers a killer value and a solid selection of household tools. It comes outfitted with a small hammer, a saw, various pliers, a tape measurer, a small selection of nails and screws, and even a torpedo level. The small socket set is handy, the snap-off blade is adequate, and the level is convenient when hanging art. The screwdrivers and magnetic bit driver have comfortable handles with rounded edges that help maintain your grip. The driver's 20 extra Torx, Phillips, flathead, hex, and squarehead bits expand the toolkit's capabilities. We always appreciate having SAE and metric hex keys around the house, especially if you own bikes. The construction of the pliers leaves something to be desired, as their small, slick grips make them difficult to hold, and the joints are not tight enough. Unfortunately, the action on the slip joint pliers is the worst we tested. Therefore, if you simply need quality pliers, we suggest considering the Chanlik 5-piece pliers set instead. As for the ratchet, the gears are too far apart, so it takes more time and repetition to tighten and loosen the bolts. Also, the carrying case design could be much more precise to hold tools in place. After opening and closing the case multiple times, one pair of pliers fell right out. Despite these shortcomings, this tool set has impressive value and utility. We recommend the Amazon Basics to anyone looking for a starter kit on a budget. Second on our list is the Craftsman 57-piece home kit. The Craftsman 57-piece home kit is a solid little tool set. If your projects aren't elaborate, this kit offers the best mix of basic tools. Its fiberglass and rubber-handled hammer is one of the better options in the test, as are its slip-joint pliers. They have an easy action and comfortable grip. The screwdrivers are pleasant to wield and work well, instead of the magnetic bit driver that many other kits include. This one gives you a ratcheting screwdriver with a bit adapter, so you can use it for bolts or slap on a Torx, Phillips, or flathead to tackle an array of screws. We like it. The little socket set is a handy size. It's not top of the line, but it works well enough. The 2 hex key sets are standard, offering metric and SAE sizing. The sockets are only okay. The Crescent set is of higher quality. The snap-off knife isn't the most comfortable cutting device to hold. It works, though, and snapping off a dull end to reveal a fresh edge is easy enough with the included pliers. Just bend the blade end away from the scoring mark for a clean snap. The plastic carrying case is alright, though the sockets fall out easily. You have to remember to leave that side of the briefcase down if you plan on using sockets frequently. The ones included in the DeWalt 108-piece Mechanics Tools kit and socket set are high quality, and the case holds the tools well, too. Still, this tool kit offers an impressive quality-to-value ratio and is a great starter tool set for less ambitious projects or those looking for quality on a budget. Finally, the top product on our list is the Black & Decker 20V Max 68-piece. The Black & Decker 20V Max 68-piece kit is an easy favorite. If you've tackled any home repair projects involving screws, you know how many hours a cordless electric drill can save. So it's great to see one in a pared-down tool set along with all the essentials. The drill comes with 10 bits, which drills pilot holes for a reasonable range of screw sizes. We also appreciate the spade and hole saw bits. You may not need to cut a big hole through solid wood often, but if you do find yourself wanting to run some wires through the back of a desk or cut a finger pull in a cabinet, they are fantastic to have around. The drill gives you 11 torque settings to amp up the power for those higher friction tasks. We also like the pliers, the needle nose, and the slip joint. Their handles are a little short, but offer a pleasant grip and feel more solid than some. While the drill is fairly good, it's not powerful enough for heavy jobs. The battery holds out for about 25 minutes of continuous use, which is enough time to blast through a couple hundred pilot holes or a few full hole cuts. An extra battery is necessary for longer projects, meaning you'll need to make an additional purchase. The included battery takes more than 3.5 hours to charge. Additionally, the carrying case is just a bag with no organizational pockets, leaving your tools in a pile. Drill bits aren't very durable in those circumstances. The rest of the tools are on the fair side. Hammers with necks that narrow are easy to break, especially when prying out nails. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.